uh, maybe as you are. So that is why I'm on this platform. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I know something about yourself, like your education, professional background, if you want to tell?
Yeah. Firstly, like reside in Maharashtra. Have you heard of Pune?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Okay.
reside in Pune. It is just like say 3 hours different, far away from Mumbai. Pune is 3 hours far away from Mumbai, and I am in my final years of masters. And I'm a part-time tutor, not only at Klapingo, but otherwise as well. I teach students till 10th grade.
Okay.
What more?
Like, what are you pursuing in your graduation?
I am in my post graduation. I'm pursuing masters in public health.
Public health. Wow, that's great. And what do you teach to students?
Well, I teach, as I told you, that I teach till 10th grade. I teach them physics, chemistry, biology, not mathematics, science, social studies, English. These all are except for mathematics, all subjects.
All right, that's great. So, how do you find Clapingo, and for how long you have been teaching there?
Klepingo, Klepingo just started in the month of June last year. So they were just recruiting people. They sent
Okay.
this Google Forms through Insta,
Mhm.
and there were some few interviews taken, and a few formalities and procedures done, and then I landed up at Klepingo. I've been with Klepingo ever since then, June last year.
Okay. From that means from last like from June, you are teaching on platform Clapingo platform, right?
Yeah, you can say.
Or like there is there any gap between those months?
No, Klepingo has been a continuous platform. There were ups and downs as we were quite a beginner at that time. So there wasn't a gap as such. They were just like, if any particular uh, start any particular startup takes time to grow. So
Yeah.
there were just ups and downs in it. Otherwise, there were no gaps as such.
All right. All right. So do they pay any salary, or they pay you a fees as per the students you teach to them?
Hmm.
Teach.
That's what you can say. They pay us according to the number of sessions that we take. They don't
Okay.
pay us
Okay.
any salary as such.
I think demo session won't be included in this, right?
No, why will it not be? They pay out of the pockets to us.
All right. All right. Okay. Great. Great. Yeah.
So
Anything?
many questions.
Yeah. Just for like curiosity, just wanted to ask.
Do you wish to like be a speaker at Clubbingo? They're recruiting.
If you want to tell, you can tell me whether they are recruiting as of now or not. Are they?
They are. Yes, they are. I think like just last week I saw their post on Insta. So maybe yes, they are still recruiting.
Okay. So what is the
So
right way to get in touch with them?
go go on the website. You'll like find the link over there.
What Kindle? Like, is there any
Sorry?
different page for the career section, or like,
No,
uh,
no, no. It's the same. You can just click. You can just type
yeah,
Clubbingo on the web. What do you say? Whatever that blank space, whatever in the Google search engine, and on the web page they do have a section for
okay,
I think work with us or something. They say like that.
page with us, right?
Yep. Or if in
Page with.
case it's not there on the page, then you can find it in the end of the page.
Okay.
At the
So,
end of the page.
what is? How many rounds are there in the interview?
I think there are two. I think there are two. Yeah, maybe two or three.
Okay. May I know what are they, if you don't mind?
Well, I think like the recruitment procedure has changed. Uh,
Okay.
last the first time when they were recruiting, it was different, and I think like this time it is different.
Okay. Okay. I don't have to apply. I'm just asking for the information or knowledge purpose. If someone asks me, then I can like refer these information to them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Go ahead. You can keep on like referring it to your friends.
sorry, I can't hear you properly.
I said go ahead, refer it to your friends. Maybe they can apply.
Yeah, that is what I was thinking. If someone asks me to any for any platform where they can teach, I will definitely refer them Clappingo.
How did you hear about Clappingo?
I was browsing internet and watching YouTube videos. So I found one of the videos in which two people were having conversation with each other in English. So I found that there is a platform named Clappingo in which like a person can improve their English and can have one-on-one conversation with other person, and that is how they can improve their English and brush up on their fluency. So I thought to take a trial, and that is how I come to know about Clappingo.
Okay, that's how you came to know about Clappingo.
Yeah. So how is your experience teaching on Clappingo? Is it good or like sometimes irritating with the students, or like it's user friendly?
It is user friendly, quite user friendly, but you know sometimes we get some of it as well, but we don't say much to them because again these all
I'm
sessions are recorded.
sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is not coming properly. I think it's breaking a lot.
Am I clear now?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So as I was telling you for the learners, it is quite user friendly, not only for the speakers but also for the learners. But then again, we get learners from, I guess, from all kind of backgrounds. They are like advanced level speaker learners. Then they are like intermediate, and there are few who are very much beginner. So it's good. It's nice. It's fun. When we see the good. Yeah, you were saying something.
Yes. I was saying like, do Clappingo provide any kind of prospectus to us, or it is totally depends on you? How do you want to teach to the students?
It's all upon us how we wish to teach the students, because each and every year they have their own personal style. Though they give us a particular do's and don'ts kind of instructions to be followed, and we do follow them. They also provide us with topics of the day for the ease of maybe not struggling for new topics, as like, and we can choose from the topic of the day, or else we can choose from our own topic. But otherwise it's mostly speaker oriented rather than like Clappingo oriented.
Okay. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for telling me.
You're welcome.
Am I going to learn something today, or like what gonna happen next?
Well, as I told you that I found you quite a good speaker. You are quite fluent. Why you want to work? Maybe it's like you just lack a little bit of confidence or something. You're not confident over your own language, on your communication skills, or whatsoever. So I think like I will not say anything today. I'll just tell you that. But it's your decision what you have to do with further.
Sorry?
It's up to you what you wish to do further.
Okay. Are you getting a little irritated with me because of my question?
No.
I'm getting a feeling like that. I think you will be thinking like I must leave the conversation right now because this guy is asking so many questions. And
no, but I'm curious. Nah, I'm just curious why you're asking so many questions, because this is the first time a learner is asking questions to the speaker, the other way around.
Okay. Actually, I really much busy with my schedule.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a very rare time that I talk to the people much, and when I would like to know something, I ask the proper go through so that I can have the proper knowledge about